Hi boys and girls, I'm doing a quick one right now because I have some problems always coming up and I gotta solve them. Now, this is a short one. This is for Gavin. Let me get his card out. Not high tech, but this one right here. GM Survival Gavin. Okay? Now, he doesn't have a hatchet. So if anybody has an extra hatchet they could spare, please send it to GM Survival, aka Gavin. Now everybody knows Gavin from the shout outs and everything else, and also from Just in Time Prepping with Will Russell. Wednesday morning at 8 o'clock, and then Saturday at 8 p.m. Okay? Now, Gavin batoned one of his moras to get some kindling. Alright? That's a bad habit, and batoning is a stunt. Use a hatchet. Alright? Simple, easy, short to the point. I gotta put this over so I don't hurt myself. Gee, Uncle Al, why don't you send him one? Because I'm broke and I'm really poor. Uncle Alan doesn't have cash. And whatever cash I do have, I have to spread it around a lot. Okay? But Uncle Al, if you sell out to the Democrats, you'll be rich. No. Enough for the kiddie patrol. Now, unlike Google and YouTube, a lot of you knows other preppers through the internet and stuff. If you want to help out like Gavin, of GM Survival, happy prepper. I just got him back. I found out YouTube erased them from my files, and it's like, what? I thought I had them already on. No, they took them off. Great. So tomorrow at 8 p.m. Wednesday morning, 8 a.m. in the morning is Mountain Time, is Just in Time Prepping with Will Russell. Okay, I want to see if you can see that. Okay, now I'm making this short, really short. So that's all the shout outs I'm going to do today. If you have an extra hatchet, all right, in my old house, one of them, I used to have dozens of these. Now I have a few because when I went to check, guess what? My hatchets are gone. I asked my nephews, oh, well, we borrowed some, Uncle Al. Great. All right. I can't even find my throwing board. So, somebody send Gavin a hatchet. Okay, any spare if you're not using it or you quit camping. Even a cheap one. Stop batoning with knives. It's a bad habit. I'll catch you later, kids. This is your old pal, Uncle Al. Bye.